Welcome to 9564 16th Bay Street in East Ocean View. This Norfolk home is stunning. Upgraded new construction on a large lot. Tons of deck space that will be perfect for entertaining in the warmer months. You have an easy walk to the beach. Wood floors are located in all living areas. This home also has extensive tile work. The knockout kitchen has custom cabinets and a full stainless steel appliance package. All granite counters as well. If you're looking for garage space, then come here. Trouvier Coastal Living awaits near East Beach.